Hello, my name is Dr. Donald Brockley. My daughter, Dr. Ahono Gildersleeve and I have a general practice of dentistry in the greater Pittsburgh area in Butler, Pennsylvania, with a special interest in mini dental implants. We replace missing teeth, stabilize loose dentures, and help you have a healthy, happy, and beautiful smile. My education started years ago at the University of Pittsburgh, but my success in my professional career is based on the same principles as I was raised. Do unto others as they would have them do to you. This guidance has allowed me to build my family dental practice that has served countless families over the many years. I have been blessed to be able to do what I love to do and help care for my patients' dental health. And I am thankful to have given so many healthy and happy smiles.